How to make Google Chrome your default browser on your computer or PC. So first you want to open up the Start menu, and then you want to search for default apps or default apps like this, and then click on the first match right here, which is from System Settings. Now you want to scroll down to Web Browser, and under Web Browser you want to click on this and basically pick your default browser. So in this case, we want to pick Google Chrome. So I want to click on Google Chrome, and like that, we have set the default browser. You can also do it from Google Chrome settings. You want to open up Chrome, and then you want to click on the three vertical dots right here, go to settings, and then click on default browser on the left. And if Google Chrome is your default browser, it should show you in this window. Otherwise, there should be a button that you can click, which takes you to the default apps page, which then you can select from which browser to be the default. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.